And, and at home, you can make it with this beautiful device, the swirl. It's like a base from porcelain, and there's water.
And that base is ceramic, right? It's a beautiful ceramic
It's
material.
beautiful ceramic base,
Yeah.
actually from pure porcelain, and each one of it makes from handmade. So each one of it has a special and unique design that only one piece like that. And
they're just
Shai
beautiful.
is really kind of the creator of it. It was made here.
Together.
At this studio, you can see.
Oh, I'm telling you, I really do think it's a beautiful, functional piece of artwork. It really, it's lovely. It really, really is. I appreciate it so much. So well done, Shai.
I'm not alone. And
Zev. Yeah, teamwork. How's it go? Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Just maybe to add another word about the design. When we designed it, we wanted to give the most place.
We want to leave room.
We want to give the stage to the water, so we try to do it quiet as possible, just to bring the beauty of water back. So that's it. I mean, we went over the process. Now we can make it, right? So
yeah,
we have this. When you have the swirl, you have the base, you have the carafe. In the carafe, you have this small line, which tells you that it's exactly 1.5 liter. Okay, so now I have here one ready, filled up with purified water until the line.
So step 1 is to fill the carafe with purified water.
Okay, so after we have 1.5 liter in our glass carafe, we have the blend. We're gonna put, so it's 8 drops per liter, and I'm gonna add 12 drops.
Okay.
And now we recommend to let the water breathe and dance for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's the time that the oxygen become balanced with the water. But if you're thirsty, you can drink right ahead. And after you drink, you can just let it swirl forever. You don't need to stop it.
And so don't stop it if you don't want to, right? It is beautiful to watch. And what's happening there, in case somebody can't see it well, which I think they probably can, but it's creating a vortex, right? It's creating a vortex in the water, and that's what's pulling the oxygen in, yes?
It helps the water breathe.
There's the natural swirling motion. You can see it on every sea, on a lake, on a river, how the water is always kind of pulling back the air in. And this is also what's happening with the vortex.
And that's what keeps it, the oxygen. Yeah. Okay, great. And then now that little base there, that porcelain base, that has a power button on it. You can't see it because it's beautifully kind of just made into the piece, which is so lovely. And then so you put the carafe on, and then you hit the power button and it goes on. You said keep it on there for 5 or 10 minutes at least, or longer if you want to, right? And then if you pick it, I noticed if you pick it up and say you pour a glass of water, and then when you put it back down, it just starts right up again, which is really kind of neat.
Yeah, it has a weight.
And then it starts swirling all by itself. It has a weight
sensor at the back of it. So when you put the carafe, it knows exactly how much water you have in it. And so it calibrates the speed of the vortex to make it just reaching almost to the bottom, but not making that noise.